In this video, I am going to explain the Euler's formula. The formula is f plus v is equal to e plus 2. Here, f means number of faces, v means number of vertices, e means number of edges. Let me take one example. I will show this one. This is dodecahedron. Let us compare this dodecahedron to this formula. For this dodecahedron, first we have to count the faces. Okay? Let us start. This is face 1, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4, this one 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All faces we have counted. So, number of faces f is equal to number of faces 12. Then we have to count the vertices. Now, we can count the vertices. These are the vertices. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Totally number of vertices are 20. All the vertices we have counted. Let write on the board. Vertices 20. Now, we can count the edges. These are the edges. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All the edges we have marked. So, the total of edges are 30. Let us write on the board. Plus 2. If you add these two, we will get 32. These two becomes 32. Hence, Euler formula holds good for dodecahedron. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it. Thank you very much.